Hello and welcome to this edition of Campus Walks. Today we are at the ABES IT Group of Institutions Ghaziabad. This 17-acre L-shaped campus is located right on the National Highway 24, which provides the vital connectivity to the state capital of Lucknow to the national capital. On a similar note, ABS IT, which boasts its commitment to perfection, is trying to connect the unchiseled dreams and aspirations of a huge community of Wanabe techno managers. Today we have with us Ms. Vidhu Singh, who looks after the public relations at ABS IT Group of Institutions, to take us through to this exciting campus walk. I welcome you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Raghavji, and I welcome you to the college as well. A brief about the college, if I tell, is we incepted in 2007 and with only 4 branches of engineering and 240 of the intake. Today we have 6 branches of engineering. It's electronics and communication, computer science and technology, information technology, electricals and engineering, mechanical engineering, civil engineering and MBA as well. We have intake of 660 now. And we have around 2,000 students in the campus right now. Beautiful infrastructure, very well located, and as you say, we actually strive for perfection. As we say, perfection is basically what we are looking for.
Ma'am, we see a very interesting industrial installation to our back. What is this all about, and how you have ingrained this installation in the entire teaching academic processes at your institution?
Basically, Raghavji, this is an industry which works for carbon. The name is Carbon Continental, and as the punchline is, we make technocrats. So a student is having a very close view of the industry, the proper systems, especially the mechanical engineers. They have in their mind that okay, this is the kind of infra, this is the kind of organization where we would like to work in our later on after completing my BTech or MBA, something like that. So somehow influence the students and sometimes create mess for us as well. It's a carbon country and we have a white color beautiful building in front, so this is it.
So basically located on the side of the National Highway 24 with all the hustle and bustle of the heavy traffic which we can hear right away, and having a gigantic carbon industrial installation in the backdrop, ABS IT probably gives the vision to the engineers that it is not just a white collar or a blue collar job, it's a tough job to come. And it sets the expectations right. We would explore more in our this campus walk today as to how this campus is chiseling the new age engineers and managers through its fantastic teaching and learning processes.